So this will be a short tutorial about how to use our data portal to submit new data, new phenotypic data. So first of all, you log in using the credentials that you have been given. Right now, it takes you to a dashboard page which has the summary of all of the data that you've already uploaded. In order to submit new data, you can just click on this tab. So submission of new data happens in 3 steps. I'll take you through each one of them. So the first thing that you do is select a meta trait. So this is an autocomplete field. You can only select the fields which are present in this drop down. If you try to type anything else, it won't accept it. When you submit the form, it will not accept it. So study title, you can write your own or you can select from a subset. Description is optional. So there are fields with star which are required. The other fields are optional. So yeah. So description of experimental design is just a short description about the way the experiment has been designed, the statistical design of the experiment. So again, there are 4 growth fields given here, but you can enter your own. So these are the environmental conditions. So these fields right here, this is treatment. You can keep these empty, but if you select biotic or abiotic treatment type, then you'll have to fill these ones. And you can add and remove treatments from this form. You can add additional treatments if you want to. So for traits, this is basically what you are recording, right? So let's say you are measuring plant height, right? Select that. Again, this is from a drop down. You can't write your own text here, right? You have to select it from a drop down. Developmental stage, let's say okay. Right. So right. So the method is basically the name of the method, the scale which is used to measure the method, and the class. So it can be numerical or it can be ordinal. So from a scale of it can be either a category or it can be numerical. So this is where you enter the number of accessions that you are going to record, number of biological replicates and number of technical replicates. So once you submit it, you will get a success message right here. This is a study ID, which is a unique ID which has been generated for you for the metadata that you just submitted. So step 2 is basically generation of a template in which you are going to upload your data. So what you will do is you select the study that you just uploaded, will be the first one in the drop down, right? And you click on generate template. Now this will make a CSV template for your data, right? So this entire template is generated based on the things that you entered. So if you have entered 100 accessions, there will be 100 rows in this. So now you can just enter whatever you want here. Right now I'm just entering dummy data, right? Also keep in mind that the accessions have to be unique for a trait. So if it's plant height, then the accession should not be repeated for two plant heights. So you can't enter one over here because there's already one above, right? So once you're done entering your data, you save it, right? And then you go to step 3. For step 3, again you have to select the study in which this data will be uploaded. Choose the file that you just modified, right? And just click on upload. Depending on how big your data is, it can take a bit of a time, so be patient. So once you have uploaded the data, you will get the success message. And this is the study that you just uploaded, right? So the short description has the meta trait, the field, like the growth field, like where it has been grown, and the year of the end date, right? So you can look at what you have uploaded in here. You can also take a look at the files that you just uploaded and download them clicking this, right? So you'll get the exact same file that you uploaded. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you.